Living so lavish. Made that shit happen. Foreign car. I'ma push it to start.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mike, aka Life is Big Mike. Thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna be showing you guys what this does. It's an interior LED trim. It's gonna go basically, cameraman, right in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it started. I'll start from this corner and just work my way around, as you can see, and then I'll plug it up and show you how it's gonna look at the end. You have this trim tool. Use it. I recommend you using this more than a flat head so you don't scratch your dashboard. This is plastic. You can just slide in like this, and you can slide your wiring. So use one of these. Don't use a flat head. Start from this corner and get out the car so I can get down. You can cut it. The amount that you're not using. So as I got it toward the end, now all I'm gonna do is run the power wire through. I power this. I'm gonna power mine through the cigarette lighter, but you have, if you would like to chop this, you could chop it and hardwire it into a fuse or something, whatever is comfortable with you. But I'm just gonna do it through the cigarette lighter, and then let's see. Hide it. Alright, so I got everything connected, but I haven't hid the wiring yet. Let's just see how it turns out. YouTube, so as you can see, I'm done. You know, I just wrapped it around here, wrapped it down, hid it under the panel. I'm running it through the cigarette lighter up front. So, you know, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. All right, y'all, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next Spencer Dance. Got 100 bands. Riding around like the Taliban. Ran it up, nigga, I'm the man.